people? No, there's CJ.
No, CJ! Look at we're at volleyball.
We're volleyball. Look. Where's? Oh yeah. See, look. There's them.
See,
and then
there's Matt. He waved
and there's
to us.
people up in the stands over there. Over there.
No, 3 people.
Wait, what? See, they're all waving up.
Those are our friends.
Yeah, we're at the volleyball game with all these people.
That's Avondale.
That's Avondale. Purple and yellow. Sorry.
We should go dancing. That's our band teacher, Miss Holden.
Yeah, she dances and it's funny. So yeah,
the awkward dance.
They were just playing and we're waiting for them to play again. So yeah.
Why isn't Tom playing?
Oh, Kushaw's playing things. Okay. Yeah.
Kushaw and Tom are our friends. They are on the Flink channel.
The Flink?
The
Oh,
Flink.
and Dylan's
Or Extra Flink.
What's Dylan's?
That's Extra Flink.
Oh yeah, Flink. Yeah.
Or Reaper X something. That's Kushaw.
That's Kushaw. I wonder if I can zoom in. No, I can't zoom in.
No zooming.
Oh, I just saw something. What was that? I don't know.
Hey, wait. Okay, we're gonna go see the Downey number. They kind of scare me.
Yes, I know that. That was horrible.
Look at our sign.
Is that my minor? Yeah, I got that.
It's pretty awesome.
Wait. Oh, I almost tripped.
She almost fell.
Hey, give me my phone. Ow! Oh no, it's an iPod, I know.
We're having fun.
Oh look, there's the wrestlers. Oh, we're gonna spy on the wrestlers. We're spying on the wrestlers. Oh my god! Where'd they go? Oh, I think Bo saw us.
They saw us. The wrestlers in the tiny spandex.
They're not spandex. They're like one of those onesie things.
Wrestlers in their tight, tiny shorts.
They don't wear shorts.
Yeah, they do.
Well,
They're like down here and then they come up.
You don't have to.
Like a bathing suit. She just came out of the locker room.
That's CJ.
That's my buddy. I stalk her like a pink panda.
This is gonna be like the longest video of randomness ever. Oh look, they're peppering.
I'm more random.
That's cool. Let's follow the ball. Ooh.
This brings people joy.
Oh, I've been watching the ceiling. Wow, how nice am I?
Look it. Go back on them.
I should go up to them. Let's go over there to say hi.
They're saying hi to YouTube and they don't even know it.
I feel like making another video, just like going up there and talking to them. I should do that.
Can we?
Yeah.
We should do an interview.
Bye.